I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Morgan Stanley analysts are reducing their fiscal 2011 EPS estimate for Nike to a price of $4.21. That's down from $4.43 and versus the consensus estimate of $4.38 per share. Analyst Chi Lee said, quote, management's fiscal 2011 gross margin guidance will likely pressure Nike shares in the near term, but we would be buyers on weakness and with expectations rebased and growth accelerating on multiple fronts. We believe the company could drive positive EPS surprises into fiscal 2011. We are reducing our fiscal 2011 EPS estimate to $4.21 from $4.43, but we continue to recommend the shares given 1, an accelerating growth profile, 2, over $2 billion of free cash flow, the 6% yield, and $9 of net cash per share, and 3, attractive margin potential. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on how Nike is trading and how to trade the stock, check out our website. That's tradethetrend.com. You can also receive more news and an analyst insight from us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend.